Hello my friend, my name is Satish Vanapalli. Thank you for watching this video. In this quick video, I am going to show you how to install postgreSQL database on your Windows 10 64-bit operating system. Let's get started. First, you need to download your postgreSQL database from the below website that I have shown here. Once you download, go ahead and install. Click on the exe file to start installation. It will install Microsoft Visual C++ distribution package. Click on next. Choose the installation directory. Click on next. Choose the data directory. Click on next. I have chosen my password as an admin. Click on next. Select the port 5432. Click on next. Select default locale. Click on next. Now the setup is ready to begin. Click on next. Setup has finished installing postgreSQL database on your computer. Click on Finish button to close this setup wizard. After successful installation, navigate to the directory under C drive program files postgreSQL 9.6 pgadmin4 and bin. Click on the pgadmin4.exe file to launch the postgreSQL database interface. Once the wizard launches, it asks you to enter your master password. This is the password that you set during your installation. So I have set my password as admin, so I entered admin here and click on OK. In the left navigation, click on expand, and if you see the postgreSQL 9.6, this is the same password that you set during your installation. Admin. Click OK. Now it is successfully connected to your database server, where you can create a new databases, new schemas, or the new login roles. That's it. Now you are all set. Thank you very much for watching this video. We'll see you in the next video.